Hi everybody, it's Mr. Cramp here from I Teach History. I just wanted to show you an app that we are going to be using quite a lot over the next few weeks. Because I normally get my students to do collaborative mind maps in class on paper, I am now going to ask my students to use this absolutely fantastic app, website, whatever you want to call it, called mindmeister.com, which you can see here. Essentially, it will allow you to collaborate with each other when we are creating a mind map. So, for example, tomorrow for my year 10s, we're going to create a mind map about the reasons why World War II broke out. Actually, in fact, it's with my year 11s as part of their revision. So type in mindmeister.com in your computer or tablet or whatever. They do have an app that you can use. You can also use a desktop version. Sign up with Google or Facebook. Let's see what happens with me here, because I've already got an account. Let's just click on that, see if that works. Okay, so I'm going to just say this is for personal and home. Oh, actually, I should have said teacher and student, but it doesn't matter. I want to show you the basic layout. When you get here, it's absolutely fantastic. There are YouTube videos which I will post on your Google Classrooms before the lesson that gives you tutorials on how to use it. But essentially, let's just call this one history, for example. The thing I love about this is that you can add video links, links to websites, images. You can even upload documents, Google Docs. You can upload Microsoft Word, spreadsheets, and add them as a file. And highly recommended. Please do have a go. Try to get used to it before our lessons, so that when we do start, we can create a live mind map. Okay, thank you.